When you see linemen out in the field, you're bound to notice, beyond their blue uniforms, the PPE or personal protective equipment they wear and use on certain jobs, such as rubber gloves and those bright orange rubber hoses and mats. But before those rubber gloves, hoses, mats, and other items make their way to the field, they are tested and inspected here. This is the Rubber Test Lab, and the employees that work here have only one thing on their mind: safety.
Equipment services handles all the rubber good testing in this department for the whole company as well as the plants. Most of the guys who've worked in this department have field knowledge of working in the field with linemen.
Putting the gloves on the machine, they're going to be filled with water.
There's not a class that teaches our guys how to inspect or test gloves, so they come to this department and we train them on what we're looking for and how we want everything to go.
All the rubber material used by the company is inspected and tested on a rotational basis.
ASTM gives us 6 months. We test our linemen at 3 months, and everybody else is around a 5-month rotation. Now our extendo sticks, they are tested on a 2-year cycle. Blankets and mechanical jumpers and our line hose are all tested around 8 to 12 months. When I sit down at this table, I have total focus on what I'm doing. I'm looking for any kind of cuts, tears, abrasions. If anything gets past this point and goes into the field, it could affect someone's life. We work with the whole company as a whole. We serve over 1,200 employees, and we want to ensure that they all go home to their families.
The test lab is one of 2 utilities in the nation that tracks all materials using RFID, or radio frequency identification. Electromagnetic fields automatically identify and track tags that are attached to the material. All of the information is stored electronically.
We keep all the information on a computer system that tells us when it's time to change our employees out and our locations out material.
The team here at the test lab takes pride in knowing that their work helps keep employees safe.
I see our team here as a family, and we work as a family, making sure everything is done correctly, because the people who we're serving in the field, we want to make sure that they get home safe that afternoon the same way they came to work that morning.